In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make all clips same length in CapCut. By the end, you'll know a quick, reliable way to standardize the duration of multiple clips at once so your edit feels consistent and polished. Start by opening CapCut and creating or opening your project. If you're starting fresh, choose your aspect ratio and timeline view so you can clearly see the length of your clips. Next, bring in the videos you want to use. You can import several at once and drop them onto the timeline in the order you prefer. It helps to give the timeline a quick scan to confirm all the clips you want to standardize are there and visible. Now, select all the clips you want to match. You can click and drag to lasso them, or select the first and the last while holding a modifier key to grab everything in between. The key is to make sure only the clips you intend to change are highlighted, especially if you have overlays, titles, or audio on other tracks that should remain untouched. With your clip selected, head to the Speed tool. You'll see options for adjusting how fast a clip plays back, and within that, a duration setting. This is the feature that does the heavy lifting. Instead of trimming or stretching the clips manually, you'll simply tell CapCut the exact length you want each selected clip to be. Enter your desired duration, whether that's a few seconds for snappy cuts or something longer for a more relaxed pace, and apply it. CapCut will automatically adjust the playback speed of each selected clip so they all land on the same duration. That means shorter originals may slow down slightly, and longer ones may speed up to fit. Give your timeline a quick playthrough to check the feel. If some clips look too fast or too slow, pick a duration that's closer to the average length of your footage for a more natural result. Keep in mind, changing speed can also affect audio. If your clips include live sound, listen for any artifacts or pitch changes. If the visuals are what matter most, you may prefer to use music or voiceover on a separate track so the timing looks consistent without relying on the original clip audio. That's all there is to it. Open CapCut, add your videos, select them, go to Speed, and set a single duration. It's a simple method that keeps your workflow clean and your edits consistent. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.